Welcome to the Brain Insider. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of astrocytes, those star-shaped cells in our brains. For a long time, we thought they were just passive support staff for neurons. But new research reveals they are incredibly dynamic, especially when our brains get injured. When the brain suffers an injury, like a stroke or trauma, astrocytes jump into action. They proliferate, a process called reactive astrogliosis, forming what's known as a glial scar. Historically, this scar was seen as a major roadblock to healing, physically blocking nerve regrowth. But here's a twist. Recent studies show this scar is actually a first responder, a crucial boundary that contains the damage, limits inflammation, and protects healthy brain tissue. Removing these newly multiplied astrocytes can actually make things worse, leading to more inflammation and poorer recovery. These proliferating astrocytes aren't all the same. They're a diverse bunch. Some, often called A2-like astrocytes, are the good guys. They release beneficial molecules that help neurons survive and grow. And they also produce substances that calm inflammation. They even play a crucial role in forming new blood vessels, which is vital for bringing nutrients to the damaged area, and help create new connections between neurons. Excitingly, there's evidence that these reactive astrocytes might even be able to transform into new neurons. Imagine the brain's own support cells becoming replacement neurons. This is a hot area of research, with gene therapy showing promise in animal models to coax astrocytes into becoming functional nerve cells. Beyond creating neurons, these busy astrocytes also help repair the blood-brain barrier, that critical shield protecting our brain. When injury compromises this barrier, astrocytes step in to reinforce it. They also act like tiny janitors, clearing up cellular debris and managing the immune response. However, it's not all rosy. In some situations, particularly with severe or chronic injuries, some reactive astrocytes can turn harmful, releasing substances that worsen neuronal damage. Scientists are working hard to understand what makes an astrocyte adopt a helpful, neuroprotective role versus a harmful, neurotoxic one. It seems that signals from other cells, like microglia, and the environment around the injury play a big part. Several complex signaling pathways involving molecules like STAT3 and receptors like ETBR control how astrocytes behave and multiply. The big challenge and an exciting opportunity is to find ways to nudge these astrocytes towards their helpful functions. Imagine therapies that could boost their protective qualities, encourage them to create new neurons, or carefully manage the scar they form so it's protective but not obstructive. So proliferative astrocytes are no longer just a simple scar component. They represent a new hope for treating brain injuries and diseases. By understanding their complex roles, we might unlock powerful new ways to help the brain heal itself. The future of brain repair could very well lie within these star-shaped cells. Thanks for tuning in to Brain Insider.